So every business is unique. Your business is different from mine, is different from the next person. How can we help you identify opportunities for AI in whatever it is that your business is? It starts with the activity log. The activity log is something that, I'm gonna be honest, isn't that much fun to do while you're doing it, but it's really helpful down the line so you never have to do it again. All you do is you write down every task that you did, and then why you did it, how much time it took, and then you put a little number, you score it. On a scale of 1 to 5, where 5 equals I absolutely love this task, and number 1 equals I hate this task, and if I never did it again, my life would be better. How do I feel about it? Now, when I first did this task several years ago, I had hundreds and hundreds of tasks. I mean, like front and back pieces of paper. And in this course, I've included a sample file for you so you can see what some of my tasks look like, and so that you can download the template that you can use for yourself. But you write down every single task. A task might be, I took the Stripe customer's information and I put it into MailChimp. Well, why did you do it? You did it so that you can retarget the client. You did it so that you can send them more emails later and hopefully they'll pay you again. Without knowing what you do in your business, you'll never have any idea of what to automate. So it starts with the activity log. I recommend carrying it around for 2 weeks. I promise it's worth it. Next to your 1 to 5 scale in the tool, I've added 2 additional columns. The first column is a column called trigger. A trigger is like the starting gun. It's what tells the computer something happened that we wanted you to pay attention to. The action is the task that the computer should do. So remember, we're looking to give your lazy data, you have all sorts of data, and we're looking to give your lazy data a task. That's what AI is. The trigger says this is the thing that you should pay attention to. Pay attention to when a new customer signs up in Stripe. The action says, now do the task. Do the task I told you to do. So in your activity log, once you've logged everything, you can kind of go through and say, well, I did this task and I know why I did it. What was the event that started it all? What was the thing that forced me to do this task? What was the thing that compelled me to take action? That's your trigger. Then the action that you took is the action. Once you have all of your triggers and all of your actions, now you're ready for Zapier. If something that you did not start inside of software, inside of a SaaS platform, it's probably not something that you can automate yet. Zapier and Microsoft Power Automate and IFTTT, they all run by the same trigger action framework. So when something happens, do a thing. Now, if you have multiple things that you did because of one trigger, an example would be a new customer signed up in Stripe. Well, not only did you move their email address over to MailChimp, but you also sent them a welcome email, and you scheduled a kickoff email, and you added their information into your QuickBooks. You can string all of those actions together using just one trigger, and we're going to show you how to do that right now.